All right, guys. So I wanted to post this video on our website today in order to give you guys some helpful tips as we work together during summer school. And so, one of the first things I wanted to show you how to do is when you are using your toolbar, you can easily find Gmail. And some of you might actually have it bookmarked at the top, but if you don't, and just type in Google, this will take you to an easy spot to find Gmail, which would be at the top right hand side of your screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click Gmail, and this will take you to your Clayton email account. And so in your Clayton email account, you guys can use this to one, look at emails that have been sent to you, but also to compose or put together an email in case you need to get a hold of me. So on the left-hand side where it says compose, you can click that. And where it says to, you can type in my last name, which is Landgraf, Landgr, and my name will probably pop up right away, Bridget Landgraf. So click that. And in the subject, you could just put ESA, and that would just stand for Elementary Summer Academy. Now, you might want to meet possibly to work together on math or get some extra help with reading. And so you could say, hi, Miss L, I need help with blah, blah, blah. When you're finished, all you need to do is hit that blue button, send. And that way I know what you need help with or what questions you might have. Now, one of the things that I noticed today is that some of you had a hard time finding that website link because it was kind of trapped in an email that had been sent earlier. So if that happens and you're trying to look for something, go ahead and click that magnifying glass, which is called the spotlight. And when you click on that search mail, I'm going to go ahead and type in that word website because that is what I typed in the subject of the email that I sent you. And when I hit enter, it's going to take me to emails that I've sent that use that word website. Well, the inbox or in your inbox, you should have an email that says website link and revised small group schedule. And in that email is the website link for summer school, ESA Summer Resource Site. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And this is the website that we're going to use each and every day. So when you get up in the morning, you eat some breakfast, and you get started with your summer school stuff, I would immediately pull up the website. Okay. So right now, this is the homepage of our website, and this is where you're going to find the information for Read Aloud. So every day, Mr. Osborne is going to be reading from the book, The One and Only Bob, which is the sequel to The One and Only Ivan. And he's going to read each day at 2 o'clock, and we'll read for about 30 minutes. This link here is where you'll click to join. And Mr. Osborne, it will be live streamed so you can listen to it as he's reading. If you happen to be doing something at 2 o'clock and you miss the read aloud, Mr. Osborne is going to start posting the videos of the recordings of the read aloud so that you can still listen to it. So if you miss it one day, no big deal. Our other information is all going to be underneath the 4th grade page. So I'm going to click 4th grade. And underneath 4th grade is going to be information where the choice boards are and our summer school schedule. So here for the choice boards, there's some directions about making your own copy of the slideshow. And so this blue link here where it says ESA Choice Boards Week 1, I'm going to go ahead and click that. And when you click that, that's going to open up the actual slideshow. You want to make a copy of this if you haven't done so already. I know some of you have. So that you have a copy of slides where you can type in and you can move things around. Because some of the literacy activities, you'll actually be able to type on the slides. So here it says go to File. So on my toolbar, I'm going to click File. I'm going to scroll down to Make a Copy and just hover. And then I'm going to click Entire Presentation. Now, right now it says Copy Document. Well, I don't want to just leave it as copy of ESA, so I'm going to go ahead and type in my first name, which was Bridget, and then type ESA afterwards. You can leave this blank and then click OK whenever you're ready. Once you've clicked OK, this is your official copy of the slides. And so what I would suggest doing is that once you're finished, I would look up at the toolbar, and there's going to be a star up there. When I hover there, it says bookmark this tab. I'm going to bookmark this, and where it says Bridget ESA Google Slides, now I'm going to click Done. That way, my choice boards are up on the top of my toolbar, and now I can just easily click that versus trying to search for it in my Google Drive. And the same thing goes for the Google site. So here, I'm going to go ahead and bookmark this as well. Click the star at the top, click done when I'm ready, and now it's going to be saved up here on my toolbar. So now I don't have to search through my email. Our small group schedule here is where you'll check to see if you're meeting with me. So today, Tuesday, I'm meeting with these groups here and right next to that yellow box. If you don't see your name but have a question, I will be available towards the end of the day, or just email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can if I'm not working with a group at that time. Each of you guys will meet with me for literacy and math this week and for next week. Below some of these mindset activities, these are to choose from once a week. Now, this read aloud is called Happy Right Now. You could listen to that tomorrow and then do the craft at the end of the week. That is really up to you guys. And here at the very bottom is login information. For Splash Math and Zern, I know some of you guys already got onto that. These are two different choices that you could do for math. If you decide, you know what, Miss Landgraf, I would just rather do Zern every day for about 15 to 20 minutes, that's totally fine. Remember, these are options from the choice board for math. And then this is our login info for the EPIC site. Some of you had mentioned wanting to use Sora. So at the top, I'm going to click that reading page. And there's also other sources or resources that you could use like Sora or Raz Kids if you'd like. So if you guys have any questions, remember that you guys can email me and reach out. And my email is at the very top of our 4th grade page on the summer school website. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon.